Morning traders, Nick Messenger, Market Dealers, here to bring you our daily market bias video for Wednesday, July 31st. It's approximately 5:40 a.m. with 20 minutes to 6 a.m. on the East Coast. Today is the last trading day for July 2019, and it is FOMC day. If we were to take a look at the overnight session in Asia, Asia traded mainly lower with the exception of the Indian Sensex exchange, which is trading up somewhat. Currently right now in Europe, and this current and ongoing Europe is open trading. Conversely, most of Europe is trading to the upside, with the exception of the London FTSE and the Spanish IBEX exchanges, which is down fractionally at this particular point. Now, we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands. U.S. dollar is trading higher. It's been trading higher pretty much all morning long. Bonds are trading higher as well. The S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average all pointing to a higher open. Gold is trading higher, as is crude oil. Now, if we were to take a look at economic news we have in the docket today for the U.S. markets, we do have quite a bit. At 8:15, we have ADP non-farm employment change, which will dovetail nicely with Friday's non-farm payrolls. At 8:30, we have employment cost index. At 9:45, we have Chicago PMI. At 10:30, we have crude oil inventories. All these are considered to be major, but the real story today, the real major story today, is going to be at 2 p.m. when the FOMC releases its statement. Also, we're going to find out whether or not they are going to lower interest rates or keep them the same. And additionally, at 2:30 p.m., we're going to have an FOMC press conference, which says that something major is afoot. Something major is probably going to happen because they are scheduling a press conference after the release of the statement. All this being said, our bias is neutral. And the reason why I'm suggesting a neutral bias, and FOMC day notwithstanding, everything that we're looking at is pointing to a higher open. And as we have said repeatedly over time, anytime you see a situation where everything is higher or conversely everything is lower, there is no correlation. Hence the neutral bias, which means the markets could go in any direction today. And that's kind of how we're seeing this day shape up thus far. So our bias is neutral. Could this change? Absolutely. I think it's possible in a volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.